Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we have a really quick DIY. I made this spring sign in a previous video and now I'm going to remake it into a beachy, summery sign. And so I have to remove everything from the front. And I use the Gorilla hot glue for this, and it is really strong glue. I would recommend using low temp regular hot glue for this. And I thought I was going to remove all of the craft sticks from the back, but again I used the Gorilla glue for that and it was difficult to remove them, so I just removed that center one right there, and I'm just testing to see if I can remove the backing from one of the frames. And now that I know that I can, I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. Now I have to paint my summer letters, and these are wood letters from the Dollar Tree. Walmart also sells wood letters. I believe theirs are smaller than the Dollar Tree, and these are the paints that I'm going to use from Waverly, and I also picked these up from Walmart as well. At first I was going to use that fuchsia color, and I was also going to use yellow, but I decided to keep more muted colors and more of a more beachy colors, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead and give those a coat of paint and then set them aside to dry. I'm sorry if you hear pitter-pattering in the background. Those are my doggies running around and playing. So while the letters are drying, I'm going to take this activity book. I found this at Dollar Tree. Has anybody else seen this before? I found this at Dollar Tree, and it's just this book with these 3 different types of wooden backgrounds, and they had several different types of these books. I'd never seen them before. So I bought all the ones that they had, of course, because who knows when I'll see them again. So I'm going to flip through and I'm trying to decide whether I want to use the white wood or the darker wood. I decided to go with the white wood or the lighter wood because I thought it just read more beachy. So I'm going to go ahead and remove 6 sheets of those. And that is / squeaking hello to all of you. So I'm going to cut out all 6 sheets and then remove the backing from all of the frames. Now I'm going to remove the pictures or the backgrounds that I use for the spring sign. I mean, it's still the same sign, but for the spring background, I should say, and replace it with the white wood background. And then also replace the MDF boards. I'm going to use pliers to remove the staples from the nautical rope hanger. I'm still going to use the same piece of nautical rope to hang this sign. However, I'm going to hang it horizontally. So I'm just going to switch it to the long side and then use my heavy duty staple gun that I got from Walmart to reattach it to the frame. So when I flipped it over, I noticed that one of the frames was not aligned. The background wasn't aligned, that one right there. You can see how it's not like it is at the top. The line is not continuous, so I'm going to flip it over, remove the background, and just turn the paper around to where it lines up. can see it's lined up, and so we're just going to move ahead. This is one of the summer signs from the Dollar Tree, and I bought the sign specifically for the little seahorse on it. So using a scraper from the Dollar Tree as well, I'm being really super careful to remove it. I don't want to break it. I don't mind if I bring up some of the paper from the rest of the sign with the seahorse, but I just want to keep that intact. And now I just am trying to figure out where to place it. I definitely want to cover up these spots where the paint came off of the frame from the heavy duty Gorilla Glue. And I'm also going to use some of this netting decor from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a natural color, a white color, and green. And I'm just going to cut off a piece of that. And now I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place everything. This is a little piece of coral from the Target dollar spot. It was $1. So I picked that up. I also picked up this cute little anchor and this little crab. And I bought them knowing that I wanted to use them for this project. So where you see me placing the items is where I will glue the items down. My camera stopped recording for some reason, so you won't see me actually glue them down. But just so you know, where you see them now is where I glued them down. And now that my letters have dried, I'm going to go ahead and glue them back into the center of each frame. And this is how it turned out. I am really happy with the results for this. I'm so glad that I found that paper from the Dollar Tree. If you guys see it, you should definitely pick up a few packs. It comes in different patterns. There's a neon colored one with polka dots, all different kinds. But this was my first time ever seeing it. I've never seen anyone haul it. But what do you guys think of this summer beachy sign? I know it's not the bright orange and yellow sign, but I really wanted to make it very different from the spring sign that I made because that one was so vibrant. I really wanted this to have a completely different feel, but still feel like a summer sign. Again, you can see how bright and colorful that spring sign was. I really wanted a sign that was going to kind of jolt us out of the winter dread, and I think that sign did that. And I can really appreciate how this particular sign does give me beachy vibes and summer vibes at the same time. So if you like this project, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment about which part of this project was your favorite part. Would you have used the redwood picture background or the darker wood picture background? Also, guys, I've only had one of the 4 winners from my 1K giveaway contact me, so I still have 3 winners out there who haven't contacted me. I will list your names in the description box below, along with the email address for you to send me your information. I want to get these prizes out to you. You have until Wednesday. If not, I will have to go into the randomizer to pick 3 more winners. So thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. I really, really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Until then, everyone, have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.